Genre, biography. Rocketing into space. Essential question. Why are goals important? Read how one man used his education and experience to reach his goals. When James A. Lovell Jr. was a boy, he loved to build rockets and launch them into the sky. But his dreams went a lot farther than his rockets. Like many boys who grew up in the 1930s, Lovell dreamed of being a pilot. And as he watched his rockets soar, he knew someday he would too. High-flying dreams. Lovell was born in Cleveland, Ohio in 1928. He worked hard in school and planned to go to a special college to study astronomy and rockets. Unfortunately, he didn't have enough money to attend. Lovell had to figure out another way to reach his goal. Lovell was motivated to find a way to fly rockets, so he went to college near his home for 2 years and then signed up for flight training at the United States Naval Academy. After 4 years at the academy, Lovell joined the United States Navy and became a professional naval test pilot. His job was to fly planes before anyone else was allowed to fly them. James A. Lovell Jr. became an astronaut in 1962. He flew 4 space missions. A job well done. The NASA team decided the astronauts would use the lunar or moon module as a lifeboat. James and the other 2 astronauts climbed into the smaller spacecraft and shut the hatch tight. They moved away from the main spaceship. With little power, water, food, or heat, the astronauts listened carefully to the team at NASA. The trip back to Earth was dangerous and scary. For almost 4 days, the astronauts traveled in a cramped capsule. They were cold, thirsty, and hungry. Then, with millions of people watching on television, the module fell to Earth. Years later, James Lovell said that Apollo 13 taught him how important it was for people to work together. His favorite memory was when the capsule splashed down in the Pacific Ocean and the diver knocked on the window to let them know they were safe. A dream come true. Did you ever dream of going into space? Check out Space Camp. Space camps have been around for more than 30 years. They make science, math, and technology exciting so kids will want to learn more. And like the NASA training programs, these camps teach the importance of teamwork and leadership. The Apollo 13 crew splashed down safely on April 17, 1970.